This 2025 Winnebago Ekko is a Class C RV. It is located in Rapid City, South Dakota 57702 and is offered for sale by Dakota RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Winnebago is 24 feet 6 inches in length and features Sleeps 5, air conditioning, microwave, carbon monoxide detector, awning, LP detector, smoke detector, stovetop burner, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class C features mid-kitchen, rear bedroom. This 2025 Winnebago Ekko is built on a Sprinter chassis and is powered by a Mercedes engine. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.